Story of planets and fact about amazing planets. Which help in the search of our new home. Welcome to Knowledgeable Things. Our channel start a new series of knowledgeable video. For more video, click on subscribe button. Our solar system has 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. With the exception of Uranus and Neptune, each of these planets can be seen unaided. All 8 planets can be seen through the use of an inexpensive amateur telescope or binoculars. The order of planets from closest to farthest from the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The largest planet is Jupiter, followed by Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Earth, Venus, Mars and, the smallest planet, Mercury. If you include dwarf planets, for the information of dwarf planets wait for another video. Our series start now. Today's topic is Venus. 1. A day on Venus is longer than a year. It takes Venus longer to rotate once on its axis than to complete one orbit of the Sun. That's 243 Earth days to rotate once, the longest rotation of any planet in the solar system, and only 224.7 Earth days to complete one orbit of the Sun. 2. Venus is hotter than Mercury despite being further away from the Sun. Its mean temperature is 462 degrees Celsius. This is because of the high concentration of carbon dioxide in Venus' atmosphere, which works to produce an intense greenhouse effect, trapping heat in the atmosphere like a blanket and causing the temperature of the planet to be much higher than its proximity to the Sun would suggest. 3. Unlike the other planets in our solar system, Venus spins clockwise on its axis. All other planets spin anti-clockwise on their axis and orbit the Sun in an anti-clockwise direction. Venus also orbits the Sun anti-clockwise, but its unusual axis rotation is due to being upside down. It was knocked off its upright position earlier in its history. Astronomers believe that at some point, a colliding celestial body tilted Venus so far off its original position that it is now upside down. The only other planet to spin in a weird direction is Uranus, which spins on its side, probably the result of another collision early on in its life. 4. Venus is the second brightest natural object in the night sky after the Moon. The clouds of sulfuric acid in Venus' atmosphere make it reflective and shiny and obscure our view of its surface. Its brightness makes it visible during the day if it's clear and you know where to look. 5. Venus has 90 times the atmospheric pressure of Earth. That's about the same as the pressure at a depth of 1 kilometer in Earth's oceans. 6. Venus is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. It is thought that Venus was named after the beautiful Roman goddess, counterpart to the Greek Aphrodite, due to its bright, shining appearance in the sky. Of the 5 planets known to ancient astronomers, it would have been the brightest. 7. Venus was the first planet to have its motions plotted across the sky, as early as the 2nd millennium BC. Because Venus is easy to spot with the naked eye, it is impossible to say who discovered the planet. But over the centuries, we have been able to measure Venus motions, such as the rare transit of Venus when the planet appears from Earth to cross in front of the Sun. Venus is sometimes called Earth's sister planet. This is because their size is very similar. There is only a 638 kilometers different in diameter, and Venus is around 81% of Earth's mass. They are also similarly located, with Venus being the closest planet to Earth. Both planets also have a central core, a molten mantle and a crust. Venus has no moons nor rings. 9 billions of years ago, the climate of Venus may have been similar to that of Earth, and scientists believe that Venus once possessed large amounts of water oceans. However, due to the high temperatures produced from the extreme greenhouse effect, this water boiled off long ago and the surface of the planet is now too hot and hostile to sustain life. 10. Venus is the closest planet to Earth. When Venus is in line with Earth and the Sun, it is the closest planet to us, at an average distance of 41 million kilometers, 25.5 million miles, away. Thanks for watching. Click on subscribe button for more updates.